Are you ready to capture your adventures in stunning detail but unsure which camera to choose? The world of photography can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. With so many options available, it's easy to feel lost in the sea of technical specifications and features. That's why we've compiled a list of the 7 best travel cameras specifically designed for beginners. Each of these options combines user-friendly features, excellent performance, and great portability, making them perfect for capturing those unforgettable moments on your travels. So let's dive into our top picks. Number 1. ESOXOFFORE Kids Camera is an excellent choice for budding photographers of all ages. Its vibrant design makes it visually appealing, with various color options that invite creativity. This camera is compact and lightweight, making it easy for small hands to handle. It features a durable construction, ideal for kids who might be a little rough on their equipment. The camera is equipped with a 12MP lens that captures images in impressive detail, while the HD video recording feature allows for the creation of fun and engaging video memories. One of the standout aspects of the ESOXOFFORE Kids camera is its user-friendly interface. With simple buttons and a clear display, even the youngest photographers can navigate the settings with ease. This is particularly beneficial for parents looking to introduce their children to photography without overwhelming them with complicated controls. Additionally, the camera includes fun filters and frames, encouraging kids to explore their creativity and experiment with different styles. Durability is key when it comes to kids' cameras, and the ESOXOFFORE does not disappoint. It is designed to withstand drops and bumps, ensuring it can handle the adventures of young photographers. The included strap makes it convenient to carry, allowing kids to keep their camera close at hand while exploring. The rechargeable battery also ensures that kids won't run out of power during their outings.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a compact camera that packs a punch in terms of functionality. Its sleek and minimalist design makes it highly portable, fitting easily into your pocket or bag. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a robust casing that ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. This camera is designed for on-the-go use, allowing travelers to document their adventures without the bulk of traditional cameras. What sets the Osmo Pocket 3 apart is its impressive 4K video capabilities and 12MP photo resolution. This makes it a fantastic option for capturing high-quality footage and images, whether you're hiking through nature or exploring a vibrant city. The camera also features advanced stabilization technology, ensuring your videos remain smooth and steady even during fast-paced activities. This feature is particularly useful for those who enjoy action shots or vlogging during their travels. Usability is a significant factor for beginners, and the Osmo Pocket 3 delivers. The intuitive touchscreen interface allows users to navigate settings effortlessly, making it easy to switch between photo and video modes. The camera includes several shooting modes, such as time-lapse and slow motion, which adds creative flexibility. Additionally, the camera connects seamlessly with the DJI app, enabling users to edit and share their content directly from their mobile devices. Number 3. STUOGYUM Digital Camera is a fantastic entry-level option for those looking to delve into photography. This camera boasts a stylish design, featuring a comfortable grip and a lightweight body that makes it easy to carry around during travels. It is available in several color options, appealing to different tastes. The camera's build quality feels sturdy, ensuring it can withstand the bumps of travel without compromising performance. Equipped with a 20MP sensor, the STUOGYUM captures sharp and vibrant images, making it perfect for documenting your adventures. The 1080p video recording capability adds versatility, allowing users to create high-quality videos of their experiences. This camera is designed with beginners in mind, offering a variety of shooting modes that make it easy to capture stunning photos in different situations. Whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits, the STUOGYUM provides the tools needed to achieve great results. The usability of the STUOGYUM is noteworthy. The simple interface and clear display make it easy for beginners to understand the settings and functions. With features like a built-in flash and autofocus, users can focus on getting the shot without worrying about technicalities. The camera also includes fun effects and filters, enabling users to get creative with their photography. Number 4. Panasonic LUMIX 100 is a premium compact camera that perfectly balances performance and portability. Its sleek design features a high-quality aluminum body that not only looks great, but also feels solid in your hands. The camera is lightweight and compact, making it an ideal travel companion. It fits comfortably in your pocket or bag, ensuring you can always have it at hand when inspiration strikes. This camera is equipped with a 20.1 MP 1-inch sensor, which significantly enhances image quality, especially in low-light conditions. The LUMIX 100 captures stunning details and rich colors, making your travel photos come to life. With the ability to shoot in 4K video, you can document your adventures with impressive clarity. The 10x optical zoom allows you to get closer to the action without sacrificing quality, providing versatility for various shooting scenarios. Number 5. DUOCH 4K digital camera is an outstanding choice for those seeking an affordable yet capable camera for travel. Its modern design features a sleek and lightweight body, making it easy to carry around while exploring new places. The build quality is impressive, offering durability without compromising portability. This camera is perfect for beginners looking for a straightforward and effective way to capture their experiences. Equipped with a 24 MP sensor, the DUOCH camera delivers high-resolution images with vibrant colors and sharp details. The 4K video recording capability allows users to document their adventures in stunning clarity, making it an excellent option for both photography and videography. This camera features multiple shooting modes, including face detection and beauty mode, catering to various photography needs. This versatility makes it suitable for capturing everything from landscapes to portraits. Number 6. DJI Osmo Action 3 is a rugged and versatile camera designed for adventure seekers. Its compact and robust design makes it ideal for outdoor activities, from hiking to water sports. The camera features a durable construction that is both waterproof and shockproof, ensuring it can withstand the elements. With its sleek profile, it's easy to mount on various accessories for different shooting scenarios. Equipped with dual screens, the Osmo Action 3 offers a unique perspective for vlogging and selfies, making it perfect for travelers who want to document their journeys. The camera boasts impressive 4K video capabilities and delivers smooth, high-quality footage thanks to its advanced stabilization technology. This makes it a fantastic option for capturing action shots, whether you're skiing down a slope or cycling through a bustling city. Number 7. DJI Osmo Action 4 takes everything that made its predecessor great and enhances it. With a refined design, this camera is not only stylish but also incredibly durable, making it perfect for all kinds of adventures. The lightweight body allows for easy portability, while its rugged build ensures that it can handle drops, splashes, and other challenges of outdoor use. This camera features advanced 4K video capabilities, offering stunning clarity and color accuracy that will impress even the most discerning users. The upgraded stabilization technology takes smooth footage to a new level, ensuring that your action shots are always steady regardless of the intensity of the activity. With a 12 MP sensor, it captures detailed stills, making it suitable for both casual snapshots and serious photography. As we conclude our list of the 7 best travel cameras for beginners, it's essential to remember that choosing the right camera can significantly impact your travel experiences. Each of these options offers unique features and capabilities that cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you're capturing family moments, breathtaking landscapes, or thrilling adventures, there's a camera here that will suit your style. Happy shooting, and may your travels be filled with stunning memories.